Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Boys, Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? Just got back from Colorado, out seeing our collector friend Tim, who just traded in a bunch of really great cigar products we're getting through. This is the turn of the century 321 cigar lighter that would have been used with butane. You see the light would be up here. Really a great piece. If you are into tobacco, have a great cigar collection, all you cigar stores that are out there following me, this would be an amazing piece to have in your display. So if you're into tobacco displays or you're one of those cigar stores, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.